Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders around the world. This is Phil V with Trading Capital Markets. So today is the 21st of April 2025, Nasdaq pre-market analysis. Over here we got the daily. Let's see what we got. Okay, so we have a lot of balanced price action over here, right? Wicks up, wicks down with this big candle up on both sides, almost equal wicks. Let's zoom down. That's on the daily. No fair value gaps to explore. No relative equal lows to explore. Only in the daily, which we'll see soon. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Are we in the 4 hour? Daily. 4 hour. Right here. So these are the relative equal lows that we're going to be exploring. Maybe later. As far as this fair value gap goes, it was, I think, respected, or the candles most closed above the 50% mark here. Also this one probably, yeah, bounced, closed right above it. But now on Sunday's open, we gapped below. We gapped below the consequent encroachment of that fair value gap, that 4 hour fair value gap. And we might be trading back into these lows, right? I think this week is going to be volatile, since a majority of last week was like more consolidation and how do you say it, distribution. So I think we're going to see these lows get swept and possibly a dig into this area over here. That would be probably the 61 to 78% retracement over here. So let's take a little fib, take this leg. Yeah, exactly, 61 to 78% retracement over here. And that's the 70. We also have over here, let me change it to an arrow, like that it's easier for you guys to see. We also have over here this inversion fair value gap on a 4 hour. So inversion, 4 hour, let's put it. We have that 4 hour inversion that we might use as support after breaking these low over here. All right. As far as I'm aware of, sentiment is still bearish. Let's go check it out. A little pre-market sentiment check. So I like to go on X and use Grok for pre-market sentiment because it scours the news live. And what I enter is so my prompt is, what is the market sentiment now? Let's regenerate. All right. Caution with bearish undertones. So market indicators, investor sentiment. For the week ending April 16th, shows 24% of investors, 25.4% of investors are bullish, 17.7% neutral, and 56.9% bearish. It's near a 1-year high of 61.9%. 50% bearish. So let's see if the week continues lower, possibly even being able to come get these equal lows that we were talking about earlier in the video. So yeah, the summary is market sentiment is currently cautious to bearish, with high volatility and fear driven by tariff uncertainties and inflation concerns. But let's keep a focus on the numbers, because sentiment can shift fast. And this week we have, what do we have this week? Okay, so tomorrow, this week. Tomorrow, which is Tuesday, not much. There's API. And oh, Wednesday's going to be a good one. Wednesday we have S&P Global Manufacturing PMI, new home sales. We have crude oil inventories. After that, Thursday we have existing home sales, initial jobless claims, with durable goods orders. And Friday is going to be quite tame also. It's going to be a great week. So yeah, let's focus on the downside for this week, but we'll see what price action says meanwhile. But I think first target is this low, the sell side liquidity resting below this over here. And if we see a change in market structure, that change would have to come and break this high in the week, break this high and close above the candle body. It would take a lot of juice to get up there, but who knows? Maybe some news, maybe a tweet. We never know in these market conditions, so got to stay on your toes, got to be ready, and got to be able to change trade ideas rapidly because of this fast-paced market, and not be married to any ideas. So on that note, that's my pre-market analysis. Hope you guys enjoyed, and like and subscribe. Have a good one.